In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. If you wanna use free app to clean storage on this Samsung, here's how I do it on devices I'm testing. Firstly, open Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in Files to download free app from Google Developer. Files by Google. When it's ready, launch it and hit Continue in the pop-up. Now tap on gray switcher next to Allow Permission. And finally, use those three lines at the top left corner. Then you can tap on Clean. And the best part, tap on Clean next to Junk Files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. Don't worry, this operation will only delete junk files, no data or any photos. So when I click here, I can see that storage of my Samsung was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!